I'm trying to test this butterfly to see if I could get it on my finger. If I very slowly do it, it might just get on my finger. I'm an inch away from it. Thank you, butterfly. Aw, beautiful butterfly. Ooh, I'm looking underneath the wings. Uh-huh. Aw, God. Oh my God. Feels so special. Wanted to see the markings under the wings. Get a good picture of it. I've been playing with this butterfly all morning. Aww. Beautiful butterfly. Yeah. I got it. Thank you, butterfly. Just don't nest on me. Don't make babies on me. I'm gonna try to put it back on the screen again. It likes my screen for some reason. I wish Brian could see this. Where'd you go, Brian? I feel like Snow White. Oh, she had to sing with creatures. Oh my God. Gorgeous. Such delicate things. Precious. Beautiful. Oh, amazing. Little things, delicate little things. Oh, I'm looking at it in real time and then I forget that I have the camera in my hand. I'm bringing it close to the camera. Ooh, pretty. Ah. Okay, I guess I gotta put you down. I'm gonna go back on the screen. Or maybe I should put you down. Ooh, I love those colors. Oh my God, gorgeous. You're such a friendly butterfly. I feel so lucky. Lucky, lucky. Blessed. Blessed. Okay. Come on, butterfly. Come on. Bring it off now. Let me get back on the screen. It's getting on the screen again. Bye, butterfly. Bye, butterfly. I don't know where it's at. Could fly in my hair for all I know.